Harbor Freights.
August parking lot sale will be coming up soon, starting on August 10th through the 13th for ITC members, early access, and everyone else saves on August 14th through the 16th. And if you're not yet an ITC member, it's $29.99 a year to join, or you could opt to go for a 2-year plan at $45, which is basically getting half a year free. And you can sign up now for that plan, both online as well as in the store. In this video, I'm going to be doing the deep dive video on the Quinn hand tools. Now, I did ask the store about if it's going to be including all Quinn, and they said it should be, but they won't know until actually when it gets closer to the sale. But I interpret that as all Quinn hand tools, and it's going to be all tools by Quinn. So I think that's all they make is actually hand tools. They say it might be similar to the Doyle deal that they did in the previous parking lot sale where it was all Doyle. So this video, I'm going to show you the Quinn options they have. And in the picture, they show impact socket set as well as wrenches and a torque wrench. So that tells me socket sets and everything else is going to be included. In this video, I'll be doing the deep dive and showing you the different options they have here at Harbor Freight. And the first option is going to be a great option to go for because when they did a socket deal previously earlier this year on all sockets, this set was not included in that deal on the Master Technician tool set, the 428 piece. And this should be the new set because they recently updated the ratchets in this set. Unless your store still has some old ones left that should be on clearance. But this should be the new set. Everything else is the same as far as the set goes. So it does include the 3 ratchets, it has 30 polished combination wrenches, 15 fully polished ratcheting wrenches, 12 screwdrivers, 251 shallow and deep sockets and bits. It has 117 pieces of miscellaneous pieces, including adapters and extensions and other bits. So the retail price of that was $430. So it'll be excellent time to save 35% on it, and it has both SAE and metric sets. Now, I have read reviews online. One of the complaints about it is not a full complete set, so there might be some specialty sockets or special size sockets you might have to still pick up. And that's been one of the complaints about this set. But overall, it's a great starter set to choose, especially saving 35% on it. All right, the next set is going to be on the 1/4-inch drive master socket set. It retails for $55 and has 54 pieces total. This is the set that I picked up, as well as the 3/8 and 1/2-inch drive during the socket sale that they had. So I went all in on the Quinn. If you recall my tailgate tool haul video, I went with the master socket sets by Quinn. So this one retails at $55. It'd be an excellent time to save 35% on it. The next option is on the Quinn 72-piece 3/8 drive master socket set. So 72 pieces total. It's got a ratchet, a few extensions, as well as a universal joint. Has both the SAE and metric, no skip sizing. That one retails at $113. And then here is the 83-piece 1/2-inch drive of the master socket set. Has 39 shallow and 39 deep sockets, again in the SAE and metric, no skip sizing. And it has the 90-tooth ratchet with the 4-degree arc swing. And they do come with a nice hard plastic blow molded cases to store them in case you don't have a toolbox for them. This one retails at $155. And they have even smaller sets to consider. They have a 35-piece high-vis socket set in both the SAE and metric with a 72-tooth ratchet with the 5-degree arc swing and the 3/8 drive. It has both the 6-point and 12-point sockets. These are all the sizes that are listed out in this kit. And it retails for $40. Then they have this Quinn 66-piece high-vis socket set. It has a 1/4-inch, 3/8, and 1/2-inch drive of the sockets as well as ratchets. It includes both 6 and 8-point sockets. Also comes with a hard plastic case available in the SAE and metric sizes, and that retails for $60. And they do have a few different ratchets available individually. They have the 3/8 low profile sealed head ratchet with a comfort grip to it. This one retails at $22. Then they have the 1/4-inch drive, low profile sealed head ratchet. This one here does retail at $19. Next up is going to be on the Quinn 3/4-inch drive extendable ratchet. This thing looks pretty big. That retails at $70. It is currently on an ITC deal, which will be coming to an end, and that ITC price is $55. And it's going to be ending tomorrow, actually, on the 30th. And they also have a 1/2-inch extendable breaker bar that's priced at $28, which it does extend from 16 to 24 3/4 of an inch. And if you're enjoying this video so far, I'd really appreciate you give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this. Now let's go to the next item. And they have for 45 bucks, it's a 5-piece, 3/4 inch drive impact accessory set. So it includes 4 impact extension bars, as well as 1 adapter that goes from 3/4 of an inch to a 1/2 inch. So again, that one retail is 45 bucks. Then you have the 3/4 inch drive of the deep impact socket set. It's an 8-piece set in the SAE that retails at 85 bucks. It includes sizes from 15/16 all the way up to 1.5 inches. Then they have the metric version of it, the 8-piece set that ranges from 24 millimeter all the way up to 38 millimeter. It also retails at 85 bucks. And this is one of the sets that I also picked up during that parking lot sale. And they, at the time, had it on an instant saving, so I was able to stack the deal and get an awesome price for the Quinn 48-piece master impact socket set. So it includes both the SAE and metric, 20 impact sockets and 20 deep impact sockets. It has 3 extensions, 1 universal joint, and it also has 4 different impact adapters. It's a great set. Retail price on it is 100 bucks, so you would be able to pick that up for 65. It's gonna be an awesome deal on it. And the retail price of 180 is a 61 piece of the master impact socket set in the 1/2 inch drive. Again, it has both SAE and metric. All the sizes are listed here on the box. 6-point sockets. It also has 4 extension bars of the 3, 5, 10, and 15 inch. It also has a 1/2 inch drive of the universal joint. Then it comes in a nice hard plastic case, just like the other sets do. So again, that one's priced normally at 180. And here is the 3/4 inch drive of the ratchet and deep impact socket set. This one retails at 250 bucks. It includes 16 of the deep impact sockets, 2 extension bars, 1 ratchet, a universal adapter, as well as a square deep bud wheel impact socket. And these are 6-point sockets. And again, 250 bucks is the retail price. And here is the Quinn 87 piece of the master bit socket set. This would be another great pickup. Normal retail price is 100 bucks, so you'd be able to pick that up for 65. It includes 22 of the SAE hex and 22 metric, 30 Torx, as well as 13 external Torx. It's a great set, especially for 65 bucks. You can't beat it. And then they have the 5-piece 3/4 inch drive accessory kit. So it has these different extensions to it, and also in the hard plastic case, and that retails for 40 bucks. And if you're looking for just the sockets by themselves in the 3/4 inch drive, they do have this 8-piece impact socket set, 6 points. It includes size from 1 inch up to 1.5 inches. In the SAE, retail is 55 bucks. And the metric includes sizes from 26 millimeter all the way up to 38 millimeter. Again, 3/4 inch drive, 6-point sockets, also 55 bucks. And they have the SAE of the 6-point 1/2 inch drive, low profile impact socket set. It goes from 3/8 of an inch all the way up to 1 inch. Retail is 35 bucks. And they have the metric version, which this one's going to be a 15-piece set versus the 11-piece set of the SAE. So the metric includes sizes from 10 millimeter all the way up to 24 millimeter. Again, 1/2 inch drive, 6-point sockets, that retails at $39.99. Next up is the 1 inch drive of the impact socket set for 100 bucks. So you'll be able to pick this one up for 65. So it's also 6-point sockets, 10-piece set total. And it ranges from size 21 millimeter up to 50 millimeter. In the SAE version is also 100 bucks. Again, 1 inch drive. It has 4-point and 6-point. So 10 pieces that ranges from size 1 inch all the way up to 2 inch. Then they have the 1 inch drive of the truck service impact socket set. It's a 10-piece set. It has both the metric and SAE. Retail price is 113 bucks. 1 inch sockets, again, 4-point and 6-point. And since they did show a torque wrench on the parking lot sale flyer, I'll go over the torque wrenches now. So they have the 1/2 inch drive one that goes from 50 to 250 foot-pounds of torque. Retail price is 80 bucks. Then they have the 1/2 inch drive of the digital torque wrench, priced at 180. And this one's good from 12.5 to 250 foot-pounds of torque. And it's a 72 tooth ratchet with a 5-degree arc swing. And then they have a 3/8 inch drive of the torque wrench. It ranges from 20 to 100 foot-pounds of torque. This one retails for 70. And they have a 3/8 drive of the 5 to 100 foot-pounds of torque. This is a digital one, and this one retails for 170. And they even have a preset lug torque wrench 1/2 inch drive. It has 5 preset values from 80, 100, 120, 140, and 160. That's plus or minus 4% clockwise accuracy, and it extends up to 18.5 inches for the extended reach. So pretty decent value right there. And this one is priced at 55 bucks. And since they do have the torque wrench on the ad, it should include the digital torque adapters, in my opinion at least. And if it does, then they do have the 3/4 inch digital torque adapter. That one retails at 65 bucks, and that goes from 150 to 750 foot-pounds of torque. And the 1/2 inch drive, it covers from 25 to 250 foot-pounds of torque. That retail price is 45 bucks. Then they have the 3/8 drive one. It goes from 5.9 to 59 foot-pounds of torque, and that's priced at 35. And Quinn has a couple different ratcheting wrench sets. They have a 100 tooth and the SAE 13-piece set for this one. Retail price is 110 bucks. And the metric is a 12-piece set that's priced at 100. So the SAE ranges from size 1/4 inch up to 1 inch, and the metric ranges from 8 millimeter all the way up to 19 millimeter. And if you're looking for some Quinn hand tools, it would be a good time to save 35% on them. They do have quite the variety of different options to choose from. It basically ranges in price from $6.99 all the way up to $24.99. And they do have a high voltage electrician's pliers that's priced at 30. They're just out of stock at this store. And Quinn also offers individual socket sets in the metric and SAE, both the shallow and the deep, ranges from price 14 bucks, 15 bucks for the different ones. And they also have different varieties of the different impact socket sets, 13 pieces of the SAE and metric, 10 pieces of the deep ones. Those retail at 35 bucks, and the 13-piece regular sockets retail at 25. And I am in another area of the store where they have a Quinn display. So they have a 1/2 inch drive, low profile sealed head ratchet. This one retails at 25 bucks. Then they have the Quinn 15-piece screwdriver set. It's basically just Phillips and slotted screwdrivers with the comfort grip. Retail price is 28 bucks. And they have the SAE and metric sets of the 5-piece flare nut wrench sets. They each retail for 40 bucks. Then they have the 12-piece precision screwdriver set priced at 15. And this would be a good pickup on the professional electronics repair kit. This is the 87-piece set. It includes all these different bits and tools to work on different electronics. It does come in a nice case. I have this set. It's pretty good. I do recommend it, especially saving 35% on it. Normal retail price is 40 bucks. And they do have a scraper priced at 10 bucks. And here is the 14-in-1 multi-tool that I featured in the buy and skip video of the 30% off for the weekend coming up here. This will still be valid on the instant savings price of $3.99 for the early access ITC access, because this comes to an end on the last day of the early access for ITC members. So if you're not an ITC member, then go this weekend and save the 30% on it, and hopefully you'll be able to stack it on the instant savings price of 4 bucks. They have this Quinn 10-in-1 multi-bit screwdriver. So it has these different bits to it and a nice comfort grip as well. It also includes the 2 nut drivers that act as the bit holders. So it might be a decent screwdriver. It is normally priced at $8.99, so it would be a good time to save 35% on it. And here is the back of the package that shows all the bits that are included with it. So these screwdrivers are pretty good to have, these multi-bit ones, so you can do different tasks with the same tool. And then they also have a 6-piece Quinn screwdriver set. Comes with a different style grip to them, still comfort grip. 6 pieces of them, and they are magnetic tips. And it has both a Phillips and straight heads with it. The retail price is 17 bucks. And the last screwdriver set that I could find is on this 2-piece set in the Phillips and straight. Retail price is 4 bucks. They also have magnetic tips, so it might be a good pickup, especially if you did not get it on a free item weekend when they had it a few months back. And they have this Quinn 6-inch digital caliper. It's made of stainless steel construction. It also includes a case with it to store it in. The retail price on this one is 50 bucks. And for the normal retail price of 80 bucks, they have the 14-piece spark plug socket set. It does come in a nice foam insert, so you can put it right in your toolbox. It also includes some locking extensions, which is nice. It has both SAE and metric sizing for the spark plugs. So again, 80 bucks, be a good time to save 35% on it. And there was a recent deal on a super coupon for 25% off, so better deal this time around. And the next 3 options, they have their own snap ring pliers with reversible action, priced at 14 bucks. Then they have the 3/8 drive and the 9-piece of the SAE and metric of the bolt extractor sets. So the SAE ranges from size 1/4 inch up to 3/4 of an inch, and the millimeter ranges from 8 millimeter to 19 millimeter. Those each retail for $30. And Quinn even has their own self-adjusting wire strippers. These are great. Well, I have a different version of them, but I like auto adjust wire strippers. So this is good for stripping from 10 to 24 AWG insulated and non-insulated wires. It also has built-in crimps there in the handle, and these retail at 20 bucks. And the last Quinn item that I can find here in the store, and there probably might be some that I missed if they're hiding somewhere in another location. And this is on the 8-inch Quinn single hand riveter. It does have the different sizing for different size rivets, and they are color coded as well. And the retail price is 17 bucks. So again, good opportunity to save that 35% on it during the August parking lot sale. So it's gonna be all the Quinn items I could find in the store. Like I said, I might have missed some, but I think that's pretty much all of it. So again, the August parking lot sale is gonna be August 10th through the 13th for ITC members, and everyone else is gonna be August 14th through the 16th, where you save the 35% off on all Quinn hand tools. Now, if you did enjoy this video, I really appreciate you give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Crasher out.